Okay, continuing on with our lesson, we have a headstock, and I'm going to go over all the different components of the headstock. So we have a spindle right here, and that's what spins when we turn the machine on. And attached to the spindle, we have today a 3-jaw chuck. 3-jaw chuck is what we're going to hold our material with. So I can take a piece of round stock, insert it in, take this chuck key, spin it, and as we do, it tightens down onto our round stock, and now that is ready to be machined. You notice how far I have it sticking out. I'm going to go over in more detail about that in more different areas. Continuing, we talked about the spinning. This is our spindle speed selector. We have a low and a high, and we'll discuss which ones we want to use, but this is how we change the speed of the spindle. We have a lead screw directional lever. This is the lead screw directional knob, I should say, instead of a lever, but we call it a lever. The LSDL, the lead screw directional lever. You can see that it has arrows on there. This is how we could change our direction of the automatic feed, referred to as the power feed. And then we have the quick change gearbox. Quick change gearbox has a chart. We'll learn how to read that chart, and this is going to be our transmission for how fast the feed rate is on the automatic feed, the power feed. So briefly, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, a DE, and an ABC. And in combination of those three will give us our feed rate. This determines which lead screw is going to be turning. We have two of them. We have the lower one for machining and the upper one for threading. So these are the two lead screws that we have. And to finish out, we have an emergency stop button. In case something should happen, all we have to do is hit that, and that will shut the machine off.